Hello Stampers, my name is Janet Pride, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a card using this stamp set. We are not using any paper today as far as DSP. We are just going to be using this stamp set today. I've been wanting to mix a few cards using this. I might make another one using this paper. We'll see what comes out of it. But this is the card I will be creating using the stamp set today, and it was one that I saw on Pinterest, and so I really liked it. So I wanted to replicate that one. Okay, so it actually comes. It's one of the cards I actually made for our group that we had our group that we met on this month's the third Sunday of the month. We meet and we create cards. So this was the third card. We create 3 cards, and I used this layout. So this is crumbcake here. Regular is A2 size card, horizontally or vertically. No, horizontal. Yes. And I'm just using this as my base, and then let's see, I thought I had maybe this in here. No, it's not. I'll figure it out. Okay. Then I had, let me get my phone out the way here. I had a couple of cards here. This one's a regular 4 1/4 by 5. No, this is 4 by 5 and a half. 5 1/4. So 4 this way and 5 1/4 that way. Okay, and then this one is another 1/4 inch less, so we have it actually at 5 this way. I believe it's 5. Actually it's 4 3/4, so it's 2 inches off. Not 2 inches, 2 quarters, or 2 sections. So this one is 4 3/4 by 3 1/2. Okay, so 3 1/2, 4 3/4. Okay, and then this one is the one that is one less. So this one will be 5 by 3 3/4. So 3 3/4 by 5. 5. Yep. Okay. All right. So we're going to use these today. I'm going to put this one inside and use some glue here to put it in there. And I'm going to put a little heart inside here just to match what I'm doing outside of the card, which you will see. So this will be a get well card, of course, because it's somebody has gotten hurt and ouch, right? So that's what the theme is today. So let's get our stamps out. I'm going to use this little heart here, and I'm gonna start needing to get ready for my next class, the 3 cards we will create there. And then I'm using this one here. I will put in this block H. This is block H, and this one is block A. Okay, so you'll need 2 block H's to hold both of these. The colors I'm using is today's Real Red. So this one here is Real Red, and my ink will be Real Red. Let's see. Yeah, let's get it out of here. And the other color is Crumbcake. Let's put you back there. Okay, Crumbcake and Real Red. All right, so we're all set with our colors. So I'm going to use Real Red on here and stamp this little heart in the corner for the inside of my card. Okay, and stamp. So that's there. Okay, and then we'll close this. And then on the outside of this card, we're going to put this and this on the card. So let's decorate our card. So our card is going to have some rubber bands here. Not rubber bands. What am I talking about? Some Band-Aids, right? Band-Aids. Let's see. So I'm going to wet this up. I think I had a crumb cake that was regular. Yes, I'm going to get that one. If this has enough ink, we should be good. Put this down here. Press. Lift. And do it again. It looks like it has enough ink. Oh, let's do the bottom one first so that we're even. Anytime you have to do something that is same thing here and here, it's best to do the top and bottom and then do the middle one so that way you can centralize it. So that's a nice tip to have. That way you know you're putting it in the middle and it's not coming out crooked. Okay, so here will be our three Band-Aids. Okay, the border of our Band-Aids is going to be in pecan pie, or you could choose any color you have. I'm choosing pecan pie for the borders. And that crumb cake looks like it's a little darker than my other one. That's weird. I did another one in another my sample set, and that crumb cake looks lighter than this. So, and it's okay if it has like the lines coming out. It's not going to be a big deal. Okay. Then put these aside. Oh, here it is. This is my little. There you go. Okay, and then I'm going to do. I have a little strip of this one here, where I'm going to put the sentiment. And in this set we have Feel Better Soon, Ouch, and Be Brave. So I'm going to put Feel Better Soon on that one. Let's take it out of here. And I'm using a block G for this one. Okay, and I'm doing it in Real Red. So let's get a Real Red. Put it here. You know those little strips that you cut out just to do your card inside, your envelope, your cards? That's the one I used. We have a ton of these, right? So the way I do my banners is I basically cut a little bit of the end, like so, and then I come in and I cut in from the corner to that line and in from the corner to that line. And that's it. Basically, that's all we do. So cut like a little bit away from it so you'll have space to make your little V. Then we cut away from the corner to the center, the cut you made, and then from the corner to the center to the cut you made. And you're all set. That does your little banner, okay? And then we're going to put some sentiments underneath the banner here. Wonder where is my, here we go. My dimensionals. I need these to do what I need to do. Okay. All right. So this one will go on here like so. Okay, and then we're going to add a little red hearts to our Band-Aids to make it look super cute, of course. Super cute. Here we go. This 1 and 2 and 3. Isn't it look cute? I love it. Okay, so we got our 3 Band-Aids. Now we're going to glue this one to our Real Red cardstock. I hope you got all the measurements. If you didn't, you can always go back and listen to those so that you'll get the right measurements for the different layers, because this one has the card, then this real red color, and then this white one on top here. It's basic white, so you want to make sure you have all the colors correct. Okay, and now we're going to get our card, and we're putting this one on top of that. It's pretty simple. My girls had a good time making this card, and now they have a nice Get Well card because they came to my class, and now you have one too, if you have the stamp set. If you don't, you should have come to my class, right? Because I showed everybody how to make this one. Okay, then we're going to use our little, these are from this one here. It's called Pearls of Beauty, and I can actually, I love these little pockets. I can actually send you a link to get these little pockets, okay? But I use those to hold my embellishments. Okay, let's grab this one here and put it here. That's one. And two. And there we go, guys. That's the end of our card. I also put a little heart on my envelope. So let's put a little heart on this one to match our card, right? We want to make sure that our envelope matches. So we can put it right here. Very nice. So we have this one with this one. Isn't that sweet? You can make these in different colors too. If you wanted to do like Coastal Cabana or Granny Apple Green, any of those colors. So basically these are my samples I created using the Real Red. Okay, so you can use any color combinations you like, or you can use the crumb cake with another different color, like pumpkin pie would be cute, old olive would be cute, blueberry blush would be cute. So any of those. So yep, so these are the cards I've created. I hope you like them. And if you don't have the stamp set and you would like to get the stamp set, it also has a die that comes with it. I didn't use the die today, but it has a die that comes with it, and you can die these out, and there's also dies an actual band-aid as well, so you could do those as well. But yeah, this is a cute little stamp set that you can create Get Well cards with, and make a lot of them, and whenever someone gets sick, you already have one in hand, right? All right, hope you like these, and I hope you get to creating them, and I'll be back next Wednesday with some more goodies, okay? God bless. Thank you. Bye.